Unique East Coast shepherd's pie recipe. Watching this step-by-step video how I put them together. We're going to start the shepherd's pie with the potatoes. You want a nice large potatoes. I've already washed these, and what we're going to do is we're going to poke these around here because we're going to put them in the oven on 425 for about an hour and 15 minutes or longer. What we're going to do is we're going to test them and we're going to feel them. We want them nice and crispy, that way they're easier to scoop out after we cut them in half. Alright, so I have them all stabbed so they don't explode. I'm going to put them in the oven that I have preheated to 425. So we have the frying pan on high. We're going to throw in the butter and the oil. And we're going to leave that heat up until it melts. So the butter and oil is starting to fry. I'm going to add the grated garlic and fry that for about a half a minute. Now I'm going to add 2 pounds of regular ground beef. So we'll break the burger up while it fries, mix it in with the oil and butter and garlic, and after it's fried for just a little bit and turned brown, we'll add the spices. So the hamburger's been frying for a little bit. Now I'm going to add the rest of the spices. I'm going to add salt, pepper, celery salt, onion powder. Good amount of onion powder. Onion powder is awesome with meat. And Italian seasoning. Last but not least, a little bit of soy sauce. We're going to cook the hamburger on high until it's completely done, and then we'll add some more ingredients. I cooked the hamburger on high until it was done, and now what we're going to do is tomato paste, reduce the heat a bit, tomato sauce, frozen corn. If you want to make it easy, you can get frozen carrots, but I had some carrots, I made fresh carrots. I'm going to mix that all up and let that simmer for a little while. So the mixture has been simmering for about a half an hour. It's looking beautiful, smelling beautiful. We're ready to set this aside and put this beautiful shepherd's pie together. So the potatoes were in for about an hour and 20 minutes. Just took them out of the oven. They're nice and crispy. We're going to leave them cool down for half an hour. Then we're going to slice them in half and dig out the potato and make mashed potatoes. See you in a half an hour. So we're simply just going to cut these in half. So now that you have them cut, you're going to take the potato and scoop out the inside with a spoon so you can mash that up. So I have the insides out of the potatoes. Now I'm going to add butter, cream, and milk, salt, and pepper. We're going to mash this until it's a nice whipped consistency. If you do need to add a little more milk to make it whippier, feel free to do so. Alright, it's time to deep fry the potatoes to make some nice looking bowls. So we have the potato skins deep fried, beautiful bowls. Now we're going to put them all together. We're going to start with the meat mixture. Fill them level. So now it's time to put on the mashed potatoes. Nice generous scoop. Just spread it out over the top of the hamburger. So next, bacon bits. A few on each one. Now we're gonna top it off with cheese. Doing this fast, a little messy. And let's pat them down a little bit. Now we're gonna place them nicely on the tray. If there are any that are light on toppings, just take this and place it on top, which I see a couple. All right, don't they look beautiful? They're ready to go in the oven. I have it preheated to 425. I'm gonna bake them for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna broil them until they get a little bit of crispy on the top. So let's put them in. They're looking good. I'd say they're basically done. Let's get them out of the oven. Oh, awesome. We'll get them on a plate and we'll give them a try. Okay, so they're all ready to taste. I got my 3 taste testers here. Hit subscribe. I'll put their name up and we're gonna try them out. Let's do it. You guys try. I'm gonna grab a fork. Wait, try it.
I'm going. This seems like a handheld food to me.
I really like that.
You like it?
Yeah, bust down woolly avalanche. It's better than normal shepherd's pie.
What? Holy avalanche.
Yep.
It's like the best baked potato you're ever going to eat in your entire life.
You like it?
Yeah, bust down woolly avalanche. It's better than normal shepherd's pie.
What? Holy avalanche.
Yep.
It's like the best baked potato you're ever going to eat in your entire life.
Yeah, like a supreme.
Shepherd's pie potato.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Hit subscribe. Have a good day.